This is Leah from the Questonian, and today we are going to be trying the vending machine foods to see if it's really worth it. The first option we are going to try is the Hot Pocket. Let's see how dirty the communal microwaves are. I expected worse. These don't come with the crisping sleeves like they do in the freezer section, so minus 3 points for that. The Hot Pocket, 4 out of 10. I will be trying a burrito. As you can tell, she is not holding on very well. There's not a lot of, it's so hot. This gets a 9 out of 10 for price. It was only $1.75. And a 1 out of 10 for taste. This is abysmal. The spicy chicken sandwich. Yummy. 4 out of 10 for flavor. Another 1 out of 10 for price. This was $5.75. She's expired. Let's give it a taste. Morale is low at this point. So this pizza gets a 1 out of 10. And it was like, I don't know, $4 or $5. No, don't get this. And it was expired. So I think the conclusion is no. The vending machine is not worth it. There was expired food in there as well. But if you are starving, you are safe with the Hot Pocket or the Uncrustable. Anything else is a no.